Today, our train moved to the airport site. This is the portion of the Ebonyi State International Airport. The airport road, a portion that is quite located at Umuara, Umezoko, and some of the places that pass through Umezokoha, Umuara down to Orizo. If you watch the site, you find out that work is quite progressing. You can see that the clearing is ongoing, and from my video here you find out that there have not been any building that is being pulled down or destroyed as our detractors so campaign. This is a desolate land, an empty land that we have nothing yet in it. This government is conscious of people's property and people's lives. We are trying our best to see that we meet up with the time frame and the duration given to the Ministry of Special Project for this particular project, the airport project. For some persons that think that His Excellency will not deliver on this particular project, and some persons argued in some quarters that this will be an abandoned project. From what I am seeing here, work is progressing, things are moving quite well, and we are trying to bid with them so as to see who will become victorious. And from my observation here, I can see and I can authoritatively tell you that there won't be anything like abandoned project. If you watch here, you see how the portion that is being worked at, and probably the people's farm. Some of the empty land that is being cleared, you can see it from afar. You see the mark that is being made. It's just an indication for the boundary and some of the places that are supposed to be captured into the road that we are going to use. So it all entails that it's not all the parts of the land being mentioned that is being used for this project. It's very, very simple and straightforward that the portion you can see, just watch from that far distance, you see a flag, a red flag hovering on the air, indicating the boundary of the project on this side. And then you check from this side close to the forest. We are determined and quite serious in seeing that we deliver on the project and as according to schedule, and make sure that what we give are those things that are needed of us. The empty land here is the place where the airport road we take until when it will burst to the end point. Then from the end point it will come straight to the airport site, which is Orizo Umuara axis of the project. We don't give any room for time wastage, although at the point when I visited this site, the staff of the State Ministry of Special Project and the operators who are hired to work or to help in clearing the project site were all resting, as it's been deemed necessary that after every work there is always a time to rest and relax a bit so as to gather enough strength and continue with the duty and the work or challenges of the day, the task that is given to the persons or personnel that are working there. These are places already cleared. Gradually and smoothly we are moving, and I strongly believe that before you know it, we are going to be arriving at the particular place where the airport road will end. These are some of the places already cleared. It's not child's play. It's not child's play. His Excellency is very serious with the idea of building an airport that is of international value to every Ebonians, the Southeasterners, and the entire people of Nigeria. We are going to be making use of the airport to enhance the easy access of our movement and transportation, and to help us as well boost our economy by attracting investors into Ebonyi State, the south of the nation. So if you watch from here, it's the places that are already cleared. This is a forest. This place was once a forest. If you check through this place, you'll find out that there is no single house being demolished. Quite often, some portion of the land where it seems that there is existence of some certain building on few houses are usually jumped, or there will be a kind of diversion of the road. And most times, if there is a farm blocking the particular place where the project is supposed to pass through, what they usually do is to divert the movement of the dozer and the heavy equipment to ensure that it didn't destroy people's farm inputs. So I strongly believe that we are going to work together with the good people of Ezza North and the entire Ezekuna children towards seeing that our collective happiness and joy is met at the end of this program. Thank you and God bless you.